My name is Rose Ntelu, President of Zubane Opata Community Women Leader. I'm here to speak about our handsome son. Now, Edison is our son, and he's a peacekeeper, and he's a just man. He's a peaceful man. All this allegation that they said Edison on Edison is a false. Because he can't hurt a rat, he can't hurt a human being. He's a man of policy. He's a husband of widow. Fatherless. How can a husband of widow kill? He can't kill. He loves everybody. Yes. So all the allegations they said he killed this, they know where, they know the person that killed him. And he's not the one that wants the government house. Those people that they arrested, they are innocent. All of them are innocent. So for that, we, the community, will see how we are not. We are trying to our honor. Those that the man that knows we those are his wife and the father of fatherless. Our son is the son, and he didn't kill anybody. They knows where that man, they knows the person that killed the man. Yeah. Not like this in a year. Thank you. Thank you, man. We are here for peace. My name is Senior Comrade Hon Edison Ehie, the son of the soil of Ekpeye Kingdom. Yeah. We are here to inform the president that should come Wike in order to lift Edison Ehie, the chief of staff of federal government of River State. Sorry. Please, they should leave him alone. Right. Edison Ehie's head is too big to be a sacrificial lamb for the people of River State. We Ekpeye, we say no to that. Yes. We Ekpeye, we say no to that. Yes. Edison, that you allow him to operate as a chief of staff. That you leave him alone. Yes. If we can claim he loves the people of Ekpeye Kingdom, yes, he should leave Edison Ehie alone. Ekpeye Mekanyo.
As the Ezenwo Ekpeye, the king of the youth, we are proud of him. He's a worthy son. Yes. He's a man to follow. Yes. You can't use our son. Yes. And drop our son. Yes. This review try to prohibit him from being associated with the antisocial and criminal activities, such as contemplating to burn down the River State House of Assembly complex. He can't do that. Yes. It's not in him. Yes. And he can't do one of them. No. The accusation that he masterminded the burning down of the House of Assembly complex is not only a malicious accusation, but also a political gimmick by his political enemies. Yes. To demonize, criminalize, and concentrate him. We, the Ekpeye ethnic nation, shall resist this at all costs. Yes. Number 4, we consider all those accusations of Right Honorable Edison and the arrest and detention of some of his loyalists, who are also Ekpeye sons, and deliberate attempt by the FCT Minister to undermine the social political relevance of the Ekpeye ethnic nation in the politics of River State. Number 5, the Ekpeye ethnic nation is hereby stating without restraint that we can no longer fold our arms and watch the FCT Minister harasses, intimidates with Hon Ekpeye songs, especially the Right Honorable Edison Ehie, all in the name of proving his political weight in River State. Any harassment or intimidation of Edison and his loyalists amount to intimidation of Ekpeye nation. Yes. We also consider, number 6, we also consider the recent call for the arrest of Right Honorable Edison Ehie and his supporters by the Nigeria police as a ploy to create unrest in River State. As we, the people of Ekpeye ethnic nation, we stop at nothing to protect Ekpeye sons. Number 7, we want to also use this medium to thank the executive governor, SYMFONI, DSSRS, for appointing the Right Honorable Edison Ehie as the Chief of Staff Government House. Now, in all, I want to say this categorically without fear. The president of this country is a man of the double honor. He's a man we respect so much. Should the FCT Minister should leave our son alone? Yes. Any attempt to resist? So that women should stop causing intertribal war in the state.
Yes.
Mekano.
Women.
The Ekpeye ethnic nation on the intimidation and the threat of arrest on Right Honorable Edison Ogerenye, DSSRS, BAG Chief of Staff, Government House, River State, and some Ekpeye youth of the Ministers of the Federal Capital, Chief Minister Ezenwo Wike, the good people of River State, gentlemen of press, it has become pertinent that we, the Ekpeye ethnic nation, comprising the traditional institutions, allies, women, and youth of Ekpeye ethnic nation, grant this all-important press briefing. This briefing is premeditated on the lingering accusation, threat, intimidation, and harassment of full-blooded Ekpeye son, Right Honorable Edison Ogerenye, DSSRS, PH, the Chief of Staff, Government House, Harcourt, and some Ekpeye youths who are loyal to him. We are not oblivious of the fact that this harassment is obviously becoming from the stable of the Minister of the Federal Capital Territory, Chief Barrister Ezenwo Nyesom Wike. The letter having issued several threats in several public space that he has a running battle with our son, Right Honorable Edison Ehie. At first, the Ekpeye people conceived a political field in River State as a usual inter-party ambiguity that would be resolved amicably, but as the days went by, it becomes glaring to us that it is no longer an inter-party affair, but a resolve by Chief Barrister Ezenwo Wike to ridicule our son, High Chief Edison Ehie, and scatter his political dreams and vision.
You know the final matter again. I think this matter is what I don't pass in the matter.
We consider the consistent harassment of Right Honorable Edison Ehie and the flagrant arrest and detention of some Ekpeye youths in Abuja as instigated by Nyesom Wike. We later disagree for the Ekpeye nation. It is for the foregoing that we state as follows. Number one, that the allegation on Right Honorable Edison Ehie and his loyalists has been the killer of the late divisional police officer in Ahoda, named SP Pato Agbashim, is baseless. Yes. Is baseless. Yes. Is it not baseless? Yes. I'm politically motivated, considering the fact that the killers of Bako have publicly testified to being guilty of the crime through viral videos and interrogations by the Nigerian police. One would expect the Nigerian police to intensify effort in apprehending the other culprits that have been at large, rather than dissipate energy in accusing a young man like Right Honorable Edison Ehie, who is going about his political career diligently. Number two, late SP Bako was murdered in September 8, 2023. Investigation has been intense since then, and all the suspects have been arrested and detained. Some have ever been granted bail in all of those. Neither Edison, none of his loyalists was accused, arrested, nor detained in connection with Bako's death. The call for his arrest only comes from the moment he stood against Club to impeach the executive governor. Yes. Yes.
Nobody's death. Yes.